All right, thanks, Brooke. We go to a developing story now. The Regional Transit Authority made many changes to help people get where they needed to go during the pandemic. And now the RTA is working to get back to how things were before the pandemic. KSBY News reporter Aaron Fay spoke with officials to find out how and joins us live now in San Luis Obispo with more. Good morning, Aaron.
Happy birthday morning, Neil. That's right. At the beginning of the pandemic, bus fares were free. Then a little bit after that, they were a fraction of the price. But starting on July 1st, the prices are going to go back to what they were pre-pandemic.
Ridership went down about 60% from pre-pandemic levels because we had this first fare free and then very limited low cash fare. Our fares went down about 85%.
Now that California reopened, bus fare in San Luis Obispo will go back to a baseline of $1.75, and the rest of the fare depends on the route.
When the pandemic hit, we really reduced service from a hourly service Monday through Friday down to 5 trips a day, so it matches our Saturday service.
They also capped the amount of people on a bus. That affected fare revenues, which makes up almost a quarter of the cost to keep transit operating. So fare revenue is down and operating costs are up.
Well, certainly we took on more operating costs for sanitizing, for buying materials like sanitizer and gloves and those sorts of things.
Regional Transit Authority Executive Director Jeff Straw says federal funding through the CARES Act helped outfit the vehicles and keep things running,
which provided a lot of funding to backfill some of the money that we lost in terms of the fares, but also provided the funding to do those measures we've talked about, the driver barriers, the hand sanitizing machine stations, and the ionizers.
And to neutralize more physical contact, people can actually buy their fares ahead of time using an app or buy a pass beforehand. Live in San Luis Obispo, Aaron Fay, KSBY News.
All right, thanks, Aaron. You can also purchase passes virtually to cut down on boarding time and limit physical contact with others.